Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into the market and talking a little bit about where we could see Bitcoin headed to. I want to talk about this $44,000 price push that is currently maybe taking place. We'll talk a little bit more about that, and then also some of the big things going on behind the scenes. A lot of people aren't realizing some of the great things that have just recently happened and took place, and then some of the big news in the crypto space as well. So Bitcoin, first off, very close to 40K, a nice push up. We're seeing all altcoins as well have a nice little hump here, nice little follow. Ethereum, we have Binance BNB, we have Cardano, we have Solana. Everybody is following with a nice little increase there. I want to take a look, though, and talk a little bit about Bitcoin's most recent chart. Obviously, volatility is going to continue to remain. We're not going to jump too much into TA today, though. I want to jump into some of the big news that a lot of you guys have been asking about. But you can see here 38,000 all the way up to about 40,000. That's a $2,000 increase very, very quickly yet this morning. So this is a huge increase, a huge opportunity for a lot of people to continue to see a lot of potential because, there's a lot of great things using Bitcoin, using crypto in the last couple of days. The first thing is Ukraine. So Ukraine obviously having an all-out war basically going on over there. They stand with the people of Ukraine now accepting cryptocurrency donations. They're saying basically help us in any way possible. We know not all of you can come over here and just fight for us. So if you can, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, ERC20, we'll take any of it. And that's exactly what people are doing. I don't know what the number's at now, but millions and millions of dollars have been donated to Ukraine using not just Bitcoin, not just Ethereum, but cryptocurrency in general. And I think that's going to continue to give cryptocurrency a better, a better understanding of what it's capable of. And also, it's going to give a lot of people a green light when it comes to cryptocurrency because of these huge donations and all the different possibilities with it. But I want to jump into some other things that have really definitely put it in the spotlight in the last week. When I say it, I'm talking not just Bitcoin, not just Ethereum, but crypto in general in the spotlight in this last week. We see here the world is getting a crash course on the benefits of Bitcoin and crypto right now, a decentralized, permissionless, peer-to-peer monetary payment system. So John, obviously talking about this as well, a lot of people continuing to see a lot of benefits of Bitcoin and crypto just all over this last week. I want to take a look at this tweet as well. So before we get into some more regarding some of the awesome bullish stuff that we've seen out of crypto this week, $25 chain link by the end of March. If that is the case, which we are hoping, March is this big recovery month for crypto, we are going to be giving away 1,000 chain link. All you have to do is retweet and follow to enter to win. Make sure to do so, guys, so you guys are entered to win this, like I said, 1,000 chain link giveaway. That's a huge amount of money. Hopefully you guys win. Hopefully my best followers, my most loyal people out there are winning. I do want to jump over here and take a look at this because this is maybe one of the biggest things just recently announced. eBay considering adding BTC and ETH payment on March 10th. And notice how they say BTC and ETH on March 10th. I do think they're going to add more cryptocurrency options. And even if that doesn't, necessarily happen March 10th, that decision, I think we are going to see this take place just a matter of time. It's great to continue to see more and more companies start to mention it. This is huge. This could be absolutely massive if people can start, buying and selling with cryptocurrency. It's going to be huge on eBay. I want to jump over to the next tweet. This one kind of jumps into Switzerland announced this morning that they will join EU in sanctioning Russia, along with closing their airspace to the country. Neutrality has disappeared in 2022. So just realize, guys, there is a war going on. I kind of wanted to really talk about how crypto in this time, makes a lot of sense. So Ukraine, obviously, we saw how fast their monetary value of their dollar basically went straight down. We're also seeing, by the way, in Russia, a huge opportunity for people to take their money out now in case things happen and put it straight into crypto as well. So I'm thinking a lot of Russia and Ukraine right now are taking advantage of the crypto market, trying to get their money into something that is a little bit more stable. And I know crypto isn't always just straight up stable. It's very volatile, but this is definitely taking place in Ukraine and Russia because of their dollar continuing to be very, very volatile in a negative way. If we jump back over, I want to take a look at the market cap of the entire crypto market right now, $1.868 trillion. So we are continuing to see a nice growth in this last 24 hours of 0.7%. And by the way, guys, Bitcoin is continuing to increase. This is absolutely huge for us, up to $40,468. Let's do a quick live tweet, shall we? Let's tweet this out. Let's just do a 40K Bitcoin tweet, just a basic one, because this is exciting stuff. We continue to see the growth in Bitcoin, and we continue to see how cryptocurrency has been a success this week and how people are continuing to love what they see out of Bitcoin. I think that gives me the B, and then let's just go with a maybe a dollar sign, huh? 40K Bitcoin, retest. Let's go with retesting 44K soon, because I think we are going to be retesting 44K, and we're going to jump into an article as well talking about that. Let's just go with, I'm always pretty picky about my tweets, so I know you guys are actually getting info out of it, and it makes sense to you guys to have to read into it. But 40K Bitcoin, retesting 44K soon. That's definitely going to be, I guess, the tweet for today. And if we actually look back, we can actually see that. So war puts BTC price to the test. 5 things to watch Bitcoin this week. Ukraine war dominates, so obviously that's going to continue to be the big limiting factor on Bitcoin, depending on what happens there. But we could see, actually, we have also had talks about Russia potentially using crypto as their banking systems are not really going to be working the greatest for them with all the sanctions and everything, which, could be a good or bad thing. Obviously, it'll get more volume into crypto, but people could start looking really at crypto in a negative light. So we'll see what happens there, but hopefully we continue to see this bullish kind of sentiment. But you can see here consolidation happening after a bullish move during the past week. If you truly want to see more momentum, then the correction shouldn't be that deep. So 38.1K to 38.2K must hold. Then we could be going to 44K. Just absolutely crazy. Like I said, 44K is definitely the price point I have continued to look into with my own TA, personal TA, and I think we are going to see that within the month of March. I will say, guys, as well, if you have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on to stay up to date with all things crypto. If you look a little bit farther down here, we also see another month, another red candle. That's because, guys, again, crypto, very volatile. Make sure to do all your own research before investing into anything regarding crypto, because, like I said, it's volatile. You can lose your money quick, but you could also gain quite a bit of money. So dollar cost average in, make smart moves, and you'll make your way through crypto without a problem. Difficulty steadies the ship. So we are seeing sentiment predicting the worst. Bitcoin, true to its mantra, does not seem to have liked the emergence of a new armed conflict in Europe, but we are seeing some positive growth now, that's for sure. So we'll continue to keep you guys up to date with the prices of Bitcoin as well as the prices of crypto in general. A lot of good coming out of this most recent push that we pretty much are live watching right now. I'm going to upload this video here in about 2-3 minutes if I can, so you guys can basically see it live with me. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Like I said, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.